Today we are discussing interview questions of ServiceNow developer. You can download the complete list of interview questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on ServiceNow developer is: explain the difference between a UI action and a business rule in ServiceNow. When would you use one over the other? Your answer should be: a UI action is a button or link that appears on a form and triggers a client-side or server-side script when clicked. It's typically used for user-initiated actions such as submitting a form or opening a related record. A business rule, on the other hand, is a server-side script that automatically runs on record operations like insert, update, delete, etc. It's used for enforcing data consistency, automating actions, or applying logic without user interaction. You would use a UI action for actions initiated by users and business rules for automated actions on records. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow developer is: what is Glide Ajax in ServiceNow and how would you use it to improve user experience? Your answer should be: Glide Ajax is a server-side scripting API that allows asynchronous communication between client-side and server-side scripts. It improves user experience by enabling data retrieval and updates without refreshing the entire page. For example, you can use Glide Ajax to fetch additional data for a form field based on user input without reloading the entire form. This reduces latency and enhances the responsiveness of the ServiceNow interface. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow developer is: explain the concept of ServiceNow update sets. How do they facilitate the deployment of changes across instances? If you are preparing for any ServiceNow-based certifications, you can download the current, valid, and updated questions from the description. Now moving towards the answer. Your answer should be: ServiceNow update sets are containers for a set of customization changes made in a development instance. They facilitate the deployment of these changes to other instances, for example, test or production. Update sets include configuration changes, data, and other customizations. Developers can capture changes in an update set, transport it to other instances, and preview or commit the changes selectively. This helps in maintaining consistency and managing the life cycle of customizations across different environments. Our next interview question based on ServiceNow developer is: what is the significance of ServiceNow ACL's access control lists? How do they contribute to data security in the platform? Your answer should be: ServiceNow Access Control Lists (ACLs) define the permissions and restrictions on records in a table. They specify who can access records, what operations they can perform, that is, read, write, and delete, and under what conditions. ACLs contribute to data security by ensuring that only authorized users with the right roles can perform specific actions on records, preventing unauthorized access or modifications. If you are preparing for any ServiceNow based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. You can also download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comment section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any ServiceNow certifications, you can find the current valid and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.